I didn't do that.
Well, if they're yellow, it alters it. Yellow light is not the same as white because you committed a violation. That's why I stopped you.
If you tell me I committed a violation, I'd like to be cited for it, please. Beating over the same issue several times. This is the seventh time I've been pulled over for this.
You're free to go now.
I would like a citation. Otherwise,
I'm giving you a verbal warning.
Okay. Even when I begged him to give me a ticket, he didn't want to give me a ticket.
Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we have yet another episode of Fresno police pulling someone over just for fun, all because of yellow headlights. This man is stopped, questioned about the law, and held on the side of the road even though officers cannot clearly explain what law he supposedly violated. The irony is when he calmly asks them to issue a citation so he can take it to court, the officers refuse no ticket. No clear violation, just a long stop and a verbal warning. And in this video, you will see how a calm, well-informed citizen completely dismantles the officer's argument, forcing them to let him go with nothing but excuses. Before we begin, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts on this encounter.
Here we go again, guys. I knew this was coming. Let's see how this goes out.
How you doing? Is it possible to roll down these back windows here?
They work.
What's that?
They work, yeah.
Oh.
I'm the only one in
if
here.
it's still sprinkling. Copy.
What agency are you identified with?
Fresno Police Department, Officer Lamello. The reason we're stopping you is you got yellow lights to the front. You can't modify the lighting equipment that the vehicle comes with. Okay. It's got to be, you can't alter it. You have your license and registration?
I do.
Okay. Did you buy it from the dealership like that?
I got it like that, yeah.
From the dealership?
Mm-hmm.
Where you headed to?
Home. The registration.
Still on Woodward there?
Yep.
Alright. Current insurance? Was that?
I've been cited for this before and I'm not guilty of anything. I went to court. Got the money back, got paperwork for it. I was stopped.
The vehicle code actually says you can't alter the lighting of your car if it alters the performance of the vehicle. So I don't know if you can tell up front here. See all these cars driving with white lights? When you do yellow lights to the front, it actually alters the performance of the lights.
Is that what it is?
It does.
There's what I cited for. There's the refund check.
Okay, that's fine.
And this vehicle code right here says they can be white or yellow right here.
Yeah, it's not that section there. That just applies to lights. Your headlights are white. That's what the dealership, they install white lights to the front. There you go.
This includes headlights here. It says the light emitted from all lamps and the reflected light from all reflectors visible from the front of a vehicle shall be white or yellow.
Yeah. However, you can alter the lights if it alters the performance that of the lighting equipment.
I didn't do that.
Well, if they're yellow, it alters it. Yellow light is not the same as white light.
You're saying I altered them. I didn't alter anything.
What's that?
You're saying I altered them.
When you buy it, you're required to maintain your vehicle up to California standards.
Which
so if you
I
bought it from the dealership like that,
I believe I have been following the law here, according to the paperwork I have, and according to me going to the court.
let's see if I give you the section here. Give me 1 sec, all right?
All right. This officer is claiming that I have altered the lighting.
I'm just going to check your license, make sure it's all valid and stuff.
Are you a traffic cop?
I was. I'm assigned to a different team now.
I just went through this like 2 weeks ago with LeBlue, right here, probably 200 yards from here.
Yeah, that's fine, but that's a different section that you cited you for.
He didn't cite me.
That section doesn't apply to altering the performance of the headlights.
LeBlue looked it up, he couldn't find anything, he let me go.
Well, good for him. But if you bought it like that, that's why I asked if you bought it like that from the dealership. You did. I said you should go back and tell them that you have to have white lights.
I made a diligent effort to make sure that these lights were lawful.
Did the vehicle come with yellow lights from the manufacturer?
That I don't know. I bought it this way.
Yeah, probably not. Cars come with the white lights to the front. You can have yellow ambers. That's what that other section refers to. Is you can't have blue lights, green lights as any other lighting to the front of your car. But the car has white lights to the front. If you change them to yellow, or if somebody changes them to yellow, you alter the visibility of the vehicle to the front. That means it alters the performance of the lighting to the front.
Okay, so fog lights can be yellow?
Fog lights, as long as they're the standard as far as your wattage, you're not over on your wattage or anything like that, that's fine. Same with the headlights.
Well,
there's a maximum and a minimum of wattage. They have to be the same voltage. But the yellow light, as you can see staring out to the front of your car, it alters the visibility. Yellow, I mean, you can barely see the front of your car. So my partner says everything checks out good, so you're good. I'll give you a warning. Just you're saying you're trying to take care of it.
Actually, I'm not. I'd rather leave them that way. I really believe that they're lawful. I went to court on it. I checked with your Sergeant Chandler here at this district. I checked with the watch commander at CHP, and I really, truly believe that they're lawful. If you've taken the time out to stop me for this, if you want to cite me for it, I'd like to get a citation for it so that I can make sure that it's documented properly.
Okay.
So if you can cite me for a vehicle code that's relevant to these headlights, I'd like that. Because if I'm not going to be cited for it, this is a complete waste of time. It's a violation of my Fourth Amendment rights to travel freely.
But it's not a violation because you committed a violation. That's why I stopped you.
If you tell me I committed a violation, I'd like to be cited for it, please. I've already been cited for it, and it was deemed lawful.
Okay.
So please go ahead and cite me for it. I'll wait patiently for that.
Okay. Well, that's your option. That's your request. Okay?
I'd like the citation so I can go to court and do the same process again. Therefore, I prove that I'm being targeted and harassed by Fresno PD over the same issue several times. This is the seventh time I've been pulled over for this.
I've never stopped you. I have no idea who you are.
I said Fresno PD, not you.
Okay.
So I'd like a citation, that way I can handle it properly.
Well, you're saying that Fresno PD is targeting you. I am with Fresno PD. I cannot target you if I don't know who you are. I don't know anything about you.
Okay.
So
Can I please have the citation so I can be on my way?
You're free to go now.
I'd like a citation, otherwise
I'm giving you a verbal warning.
Okay, I'd like an apology for the violation of my rights from being unlawfully detained here for this amount of
You're
time.
not being unlawfully detained.
So am I free to go?
A warning.
Am I free to go?
Headlights. Yes, you are.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Yeah, drive safely. Watch your speed too.
That, my friends, is how it's really done. This is how you handle cops that unlawfully detain you for no apparent reason whatsoever. This is becoming ridiculous how they pull me over and they can't find a legitimate reason to give me a ticket. Even when I begged him to give me a ticket, he didn't want to give me a ticket.
And there you have it, another traffic stop where the officer could not name a clear violation, could not write a ticket, and could not justify the detention even after being asked to do so. This is exactly why knowing the law matters. Because when citizens stay calm, informed, and confident, the narrative falls apart on its own if you believe stops like this are about safety, or if they look more like harassment. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, share it with others who care about their rights, and subscribe to the channel for more real-world encounters and breakdowns like this. See you in the next one.